All right, so this is the SINE player. Right now there is 15 free instruments, well, vocals as well, so I guess 14 instruments and then some vocals. We got the free studio voices here, recorded at Sunset Sound, Studio 3, Los Angeles. And you could download these sounds right from the plugin here. And you just go to My Licenses, and these ones will be in there. And you can download the percussion, all the other different sounds and everything. You get some details here. And let's check out some of the sounds. I made a video about this about a year ago. There's like 8 sounds, now there's 15. So it's an expanding library of sounds. And of course, there'll be links down in the video description below for you to check all this stuff out. Let's go over to their website and demo some of the sounds. We got the studio voices here. Got a flute. We got a tone wheel organ. Got electric bass. And so on and so forth. There's electric pianos. There's a free jazz flute, another flute, ukulele, drum for some percussion. Felt piano, acoustic guitar, big band horns, church organ, string ensemble, and a grand piano, and some more percussion down here. So check it out.